actually got the car in Arkansas. It was a find on eBay, and I got it back in 2005. Went through a full restoration. Brian Duncan, one of my friends back in Ohio, did the restoration as far as the body and the paint. And I had the motor work, of course, we did with my cousin, brothers, and my son, along with the drivetrain. It's a 355 small block. So it got a 560 roller cam, hydraulic roller, and pretty much got a lot of chrome and billet. So a lot of time and effort, and I guess my cousin who passed away a couple years ago.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So I got a lot of sentimental value in this.
Yeah.
So this will stay with me and my kids for a lifetime.
Yeah, that's good. So when you got this car, is it the same color as the original?
It was a yellow. The yellow kind of grew on me because I was going to change color on it. We were going to go with a candy apple red, but then we kind of changed direction. We went with an 86 Corvette yellow. It kind of, settled with me, and the Transformer movie came out a couple years after that, so the kids love it.
Oh yeah, I love the Transformer.
Yeah, so now the kids, I let the kids in and out of it. I got 8 grandkids myself, and they all over. Nothing you can't wipe off, fingerprints and all that stuff. So you put a lot of work in it. It takes a lot of time and effort to detail it. People really, I probably spend more time now cleaning it and shining it. And my wife's got a 69 Camaro, so she pretty much just points. I always said that I'm like her shine boy. 38 years I've been.
So did she bring her 69
Yeah,
Camaro?
actually
That's what I've noticed. Thank you very much, Tony, and I hope to see you again somewhere else in the car show.
All right, that's a great show. Thank you.
Yeah, you have a good day.
You too.
Thanks. Talking about his...
It's a 1961 Chevy Corvair ramp side pickup. So made by Chevrolet, part of the Corvair line. So engine in the back, driving from the front. They made about 15,000.
So how long did you have this?
I bought it about 8 years ago. It did not look like this when I bought it.
So what did you do to make it look like this?
Lots of body work. So lots of pulling dents and adding new sheet metal and pounding out dents with hammers and all that good stuff.
So how long did it take you to get there?
Well, so I started with the engine. That was pretty quick. But the body work and paint and all that probably took me about 4 years by the time it was all said and done.
That's long.
Yeah.
But then you enjoyed it already.
Yeah, it's great. It's fun to drive. It's comfortable. It's quiet. Engine's all the way back there.
Yes.
So and it rides nice. It's neat. I get lots of waves. And
yes,
smiles.
yes. Thank you very much.
Sure.
And you have a good day.
You too.
Hey guys, I'm here with the owner of this lovely vehicle, and her name is Anastasia and Chris. So tell me about, or tell the people about your lovely vehicle. You go ahead.
So this is the Carp Crew. It's our 1983 station wagon. It's a Chevy Caprice estate wagon.
Lots of children go in it.
It's got the original 305 in it, so it can't get out of its own way most of the time. It's pretty slow, but we enjoy the heck out of it. We have 5 kids and us too, so we needed something that we could bring the kids into the car world with. And we thought, what better thing to do than the thing that we grew up in, which is an old school station wagon with the rear facing seat, and having a good time tootling around and enjoying life.
That's cool. Well, when you came in, and I've noticed the 2 kids were at the back, facing backwards. And how long have you had this car?
We've had the car almost 2 years. Actually, it's 2 years. It'll be 2 years in about a week and a half. Haven't had to do any major modifications to it. We've it's a solid motor. We've redone the headliner in it. you know, just done some small little motor work and just keeping it up with change of fluids. I mean, the old American cars, you know, they just run. They just run great.
Yeah.
We drive it a lot.
Yep.
We
That
even
is-
take little family vacations.
That is pretty cool. Yeah, I love that.
We almost got stuck on a mountain.
But
Yeah, that's
a fun thing.
Absolutely. That's in a classic car. You know, it's like when you're doing stuff like that, you're always in an adventure. And if something does happen, you can work on it yourself. It doesn't, not everything is, you know, computer.
You don't have to plug it in.
Yeah.
Yeah, so thank you guys very much.
Absolutely, thank you.
Yeah,
That's
you have a
awesome.
good day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey guys, I'm here with Henry. And tell us about your Camaro.
It's a 69 RS SSS Resto mod with a LS3 engine with the hot cam.
Ice cream good?
Ride Tech suspension with coilover shocks and has rack and pinion steering and the tubular arms and close ratio power steering. 700 R4 transmission, 355 rear, and that's pretty much about it. It's nice riding since the suspension's all been changed, and the LS3 is easy to lift on.
Yeah, that's good. So, did you get it like the way it is?
Most of it. Some of it I've done some modifications on.
So you did it yourself?
Some of it, yes. Yeah, the
modifications?
interior portions of changing out the seats and making the seats more comfortable from scat.
Yeah, I see that.
Carpeting and the dash and things like that. The suspension, too much for me.
Yeah.
But a lot of the wiring, I changed all the wiring out to put it under. So, yeah.
How about the nice paint? Is this the original paint?
No, not the original. And when I bought it, it already had it painted. So all I've had to do is maintain it.
Right. So what's the name of this color?
Rally green with metal flake in it.
How long have you had this lovely car?
About 3 years.
3 years. So where did you get this car?
I was able to pick it up. It came out of North Carolina and was delivered up to Fleming's Auto in Rockville, Maryland. Big shout out to Tony Fleming.
Yep. Well, we'll do.
Very happy to get the car.
Yep. That's cool. Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, I'm here with the owner of this 1956 Ford Tbird. So the names are?
Bill and Jill.
Where's Jill? Yeah, there you go.
Our 56 Tbird originally was owned by Captain Don Elliott, Uncle Don. Uncle Don was the second owner. It belonged to his wife. She passed away several decades ago, and about 15 years ago, he decided he was going to redo the whole thing. Frame off restoration, custom Morrison chassis, 2005 Mustang GT engine, 2007 Mustang GT transmission, 4-link suspension, Willwood brakes, the whole deal. He enjoyed it for a couple years before he passed, and now it's ours to take out and show everybody.
Did you change anything besides from the original one? Or?
Not from what he did?
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, it's 2005, everything underneath, so
Yeah.
it's not a 56 Tbird.
Yeah.
except for what's on the outside.
Yeah. So the color of the paint is the same and everything.
No, the color originally was green, a Ford green color, and Don chose this particular maroon reddish color, which is pretty nice.
That's Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you for sharing the story. So-
Absolutely.
Camaro, and her name is Lisa, and of course with her husband Tony. And
We originally bought the 1967 Camaro, and I always wanted the 69,
1969. So we went to Westminster, Maryland, and found this baby and brought her home, and the engine blew up. So I had to put a new engine in it, and now I've done some more upgrades to it. I've just recently I wanted to make it go faster, so I put a new transmission and a few other things.
Yeah. So did you? Yeah. So which one is faster, yours or his? Well,
Whichever one she's driving. She's the crazy driver. That's why her name's Misbehaving.
oh well, that's a good name. When you got it, did you get it the way it is, or you kind of like changed a lot of it?
The outside was the paint, and the interior is all the way it was when I bought it. But we pretty much replaced everything under the hood.
Yeah. So how long have you had this car?
2012 we bought it.
Yeah. So you've been enjoying this car. That's cool. That's cool. Well, thank you very much, and I hope you have a lovely for the rest of the day.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, by the way, that green truck there, that's my 1959 Chevy Apache. My husband is driving it right now because I'm behind this camera taking a video of them. That blue Camaro is his 69 Camaro, and his best friend is driving it. So just to be clear, that truck is mine. I hope you like this video. Until next time, bye!